morning. Gonna cook pichay. Of course, I need to have garlic and onion. This is my pichay. Pichay is rich in vitamin K, good for the bone health, and anti-inflammatory properties. Good for fiber, good for heart health, and boosting immune system, good for immune system and heart health, and good for digestive system, and rich in fiber. I just saute with a little brown meat. I'm eating nuts. I prefer to eat vegetable than the meat.